Okay, let's start with the review. So do the top line here. I'm going to move it over for this last problem. And then turn me back on. Okay, so you have to square it and you have to flip it. So this would be 1/4 times 8, which is 2. When you multiply two things same base, you add the power. So it's x to the -2, which is 1 over x squared. This one negative, this is not, so I move this one down, so it's 1 over x to the 6th, x to the 4th, which is 1 over x to the 10th. This one, product to a power, you raise both to that power, which is multiplying the powers, so it'd be x to the 30th, y to the -40, but negative means take the reciprocal of the base, so it's x to the 30 over y to the 40. This one, I don't know why with division, I like to move it when it's a negative power. So I'm going to move this one on down, leave this alone because it's a positive power, but I'm going to move this one up. And when you multiply things, did I mess up? I did mess up. X to 6, that's a y to the 4th up there. Oh, this is x to the 3rd. There we go. So multiply two things same base, you add, so it's y to the 12th over x to the 9th. This one I need to flip and I need to square, so it's 16/9. Flipped it and then I squared it. Okay, so now do the different factorings we did this week. Okay, so this is x, last term's plus, so both sides are the same as the middle, so it's plus x plus, what are the factors of 9 that add up to 6? It's 3 and 3. So we write that twice as a square. This one, okay. So x squared be x and x. Last term's plus, so they're both same as the middle, which is minus minus. And what do you multiply to get 20? But you add to get 9, and that's 5 and 4. This one, again, last term's plus, so both signs are the same as the middle, so it'd be minus minus. And what do you multiply to get 50? But you add to get 15, so it's 5 and 10. So, okay, last term's plus, so you're adding the factors to get that. And both signs are the same as the middle sign, which is plus plus. And what do you multiply to get 18? But when you add, you get 11. And that would be 9 and 2. Okay, this one. Oh, the last term is minus. So you have x plus, x minus. And what are the factors of 90? That subtract to give you 1 would be 10 and 9, but the largest one goes with the middle sign. This one, x squared is x and x. Last term is minus, so it's plus minus. Factors of 12 that subtract to give you 1 are 4 and 3, and the largest one goes with the middle sign. So 3 goes with the minus because it's smaller. So last term's minus, so it'll be x plus, x minus. Factors of 40 that multiply give you 40, but subtract give you 18, or 20 and 2. Largest one goes with the middle, so it'd be 20 and 2. And this one, doopy-doopy-doo, x squared is x and x. Last term is minus, so it's plus minus, or minus plus. And what do you multiply to get 40, but you subtract to get 6, and that's 10 and 4. And the largest one goes with the middle sign, which is 10. Okay, two last problems. Find the parallel line and find the perpendicular. So freeze it and then turn me back on. Okay, so the slope of this one is 6, so the parallel line slope is 6. So you go y minus 1 equals 6, x minus 2. So it'd be y minus 1 equals 6x minus 12. And I want it in standard form, so I'm going to subtract y and add 12. So I'd have 11 equals 6x minus y. Now this one I want perpendicular to. The slope is 1/3. So the perpendicular slope would be a -3. So it'd be y minus 1 equals -3, x minus 5. Distribute -3, y minus 1 equals -3, x plus 15. And I want it in slope-intercept form. That means solve it for y. So I'm going to add 1. So y equals -3x plus 16. Ooh, I am tired out. But that's enough review for this week so far.